Ni mubango uria uratanywo kugarura na njira nene tauni cia kaunti ya Meru ta guthondekwo gwa stage cia matatu o hamwe na cia nduthi niguo tauni ino igie na mubango mwega.
Wakati unarembesha hii town na utatengeneza bus park hata park ya bonda park uitengeneze iwe pahali.
We are going to have a people's park. This park is going to be beautifully designed. It's going to be greened and regenerated very well. Beautiful flowers, good grass.
Governor wa Meru Kirito Murungi aranyitanira na muingi o hamwe na anyitite mikuhanda mite barabara-ini ya Nanyuki guthie Meru. Mubango uria arauga no guthie na mbere barabara-ini itiganite kaunti-ini iyo.
It will have the social economic benefits. There will be business development and business growth and development. There will be transport, there will be kiosk owners, there will be plot owners. Everything becomes an ecosystem where value generates from this beautiful plan.
Wewe ukiwa nyumbani kwako inyawaenda mtanzo wetu mudele wako panda mti hata kwa shamba yako. Wewe ukipanda kwako na mimi nipande kwangu, ile tree kama hao wanasema itapatikana haraka.
Hamwe na mibango ingi iria iri mutaratara-ini ni kiharo kia Kinoru kiria gikwamukira kigina gia ciringi bilioni 1 kuma kuri thirikari nene o hamwe na ikundi itiganite niguo kihote gukinyaniria ikiro iria ciagiriire.
Meru town wanatuwekea sewage ya bilioni 1 kutoka pesa ya serikali kuu. Mibango
ino itiganite irakinyanirio ni unyitaniri wa kaunti ya Meru na thirikari ya Sweden. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.